morning everyone. Today we are going to study about the properties of set theory. Set operation. Okay. So already we know in the study about the properties of integers, whole numbers, rational numbers. Is it? So in this chapter we have learned the properties of set operations. Okay. Today we have learned three types of properties. The first one is commutative property. Commutative property. For any sets A and B, then A union B is equal to B union A. It's a commutative property of union of sets. Union of sets. And second one, for any two sets A and B, then A intersection B is equal to B intersection A, then it is called the commutative property of intersection of sets. Intersection of set. Okay, so what is the formula for commutative property of union of sets? A union B is equal to B union A, and then A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Commutative property of intersection of set. And second one of the property, associative property. Associative property for any three sets A, B and C, then A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. So associative property of union of sets. Associative property of union of sets. Okay. Of union of sets. Okay. And next one, A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. So associative property of intersection of sets. Intersection of set. So first property is commutative property. For any two set A and B, then A union B is equal to B union A, then it satisfies the commutative property of union of set. And then A intersection B is equal to B intersection A, the commutative property of a intersection of a set. And second property, associative property. For any three set A, B and C, then A union B union C is equal to A union B union C is satisfied associative property of union of sets. And then A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C is called the associative property of intersection of a set. And third one of the property, distributive property. distributive property. For any three sets A, B and C, then A intersection B union C is equal to distribute A intersection B union A intersection B union A intersection C. A intersection C. So, distributive property of intersection over union. Okay. So, intersection over union. Okay. And second one, A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. So, distributive property of union over intersection. Okay. So, distributive property for any three sets A, B and C, then A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union after distribute A intersection C. Okay. So, it is called the intersection over union. Okay. And then A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. So, distributive property of union over intersection. Okay. I hope you understand the properties of set operations. Now, see the examples. Example 1.19. Example 1.19. If A is equal to solution, what are the data are given? If A is equal to the set of elements B, E, F, G and B is equal to set of all the elements C, E, G, H, then verify the commutative property of union of set and intersection of set. Okay. First write the set A has B, E, F, G and B, C, E, G, H. Okay. Then verify the commutative property of union. So, commutative property of union, for this the formula? Union of sets. First one. So, what is the formula? A union B is equal to B union A. B union A. So, A union B is equal to left hand side. What are the elements in a set A? B, E, F, G. Union C, E, G, H. So, join all the elements. A union B means every element of A is also an element in B. So, join all the elements from A and B. So, B, C, E, F, G, H. Okay, it's denoted equation number 1. And next one, right hand side. B union A is equal to a set of elements B, C, E, G, H. Union elements in a set A are B, E, F, G. Okay, join all the elements B, C, E, F, G, H. It is denoted the equation number 2. From one and 2 we get A union B is equal to B union A. So, it satisfies the commutative property of union of first set. And second one, verify. Second one, commutative property of intersection of sets. A formula for intersection, A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Here find out the left hand side. A intersection B is equal to B E F G intersection C E G H. Okay. So, which are the elements are common? So, intersection means common in a both set A and B. So, here the common elements are E, G, that is it. So, common elements in a set A and B are E and G. E and G. Equation number 1. And left hand side finished. Now, right hand side B intersection A. So, B has the elements are C, E, G, H intersection. So, which are the elements common in both sets? E, G. Okay. So, E, G. It is denoted equation number 2. From 1 and 2 we get A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. So, commutative property of union of set is satisfied. Intersection, is it? Intersection of set is verified. And second one, example 1.20. If A is equal to set of all the elements minus 1 by 2, 0, 1, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2. B is equal to 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2, 5 by 2. And C minus 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1, 2, 5 by 2. Then verify A intersection B intersection C is equal to associative property is given. So verify the associative property of intersection. Okay, so verify the associative property of intersection. So to verify A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. So what are the elements in a set A intersection? For B intersection C, first preference to the parenthesis. So A intersection C is equal to B values are 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2, 5 by 2. Intersection C minus 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1, 2, 5 by 2. So intersection means common elements in a both sets. Which are the elements are common in a set B and C? 0 is not there. My 1 comma 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is a common element, and 2 is also a common element, and 5 by 2 is also a common element. So B intersection C has the elements are 1 by 4, 2, 5 by 2, 5 by 2. Okay. Here right, left hand side. So next find out the A intersection B intersection C. Already found the value of A intersection C. So what is the elements in a set A? Minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, comma 2. Intersection 1 by 4, comma 2, comma 5 by 2. So which are the elements common? 1 by 4, 2. So A intersection B intersection C has the elements are 1 by 4 and 2. Okay, it is denoted the equation number 1. It is denoted the equation number 1. Now consider the right hand side. A intersection B. First find the value of A intersection B intersection C. Okay. So A intersection B. So what are the elements in A? Minus 1 by 2, comma 0, comma 1 by 4, comma 3 by 4, comma 2. Intersection B values 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2, 5 by 2. So which are the elements common? 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2. So elements are 1 by 4, 3 by 4 and 2. Next find the value of A intersection B intersection C. Already find out the value of A intersection B. The elements are 1 by 4, comma 3 by 4, comma 2. Intersection C values minus 1 by 2, comma 1 by 4, comma 1, comma 2, comma 5 by 2, 5 by 2. Here which are the elements are common? 1 by 4 and then 2. So A intersection B intersection C is equal to 1 by 4, comma 2. Equation number 2. See, the equation number 1 and 2 are common. So both having the same elements. From the equation 1 and 2 we get A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C is verified. Is verified. Now see the example 1.21. If A is equal to set of all the elements 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and B X such that X is a prime number and X is less than 11. X is less than 11. Already you know that prime numbers start from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay. And C is equal to X such that X is belongs to N. N means natural numbers. Okay. And X is less than equal to X less than 9. The 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And B is equal to X such that prime numbers. Prime numbers already you know. One is not a prime number nor composite number. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So here given X is a prime number and X is less than 11 is given. So what are the elements are there? 2, 3, 5 and 7. So in a set B contains the elements are 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. And then C X such that X is a natural number. So natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 endlessly going. Okay. Here given the condition between 5 less than equal to. So you should add the 5, 9. So what are the elements are contains? Less than equal to is given, you should add the value of included the value of 9. But here less than only given. So the elements are 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then verify. To verify A union, distributive property is given. A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union. So let us consider the left hand side. A union B intersection C is equal to, first preference to the parenthesis. So A intersection C, so B intersection C, 2, 3, 5, 7 and intersection C values are 5, 6, 7, 8. So intersection means common elements in a both set. Common elements in the both set. Which are the elements? 5 is common, 7 is also common. So B and C has the same elements 5 and 7. 5 and 7. And next A union B intersection C. A union A 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Union. Already found the value of B intersection C. 5, 7. Union means join all the elements. Okay. So 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is denoted by equation number 1. Now consider the right hand side. What is the right hand side? A union B intersection A union C. Intersection A union C. So you first find the A union B. So elements in a set A are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 union B 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. So join all the elements. 0, 2, union is given. So 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And next to find the value of A union C. A union C. So A value was 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Union C value was 5, 6, 7, 8. So join all the elements. So 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now find A union B intersection A union C. So A union B values are 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Intersection A union C values are 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here which are the elements are common? Here intersection you want to find out. Okay. So here's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 0. Therefore, the elements are 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is denoted the equation number 2. Check the equation number 1 and 2. So equation number 1, 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from 1 and 2 we get from 1 and 2 we get A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C is verified. 1.4. The first one, if P is equal to some elements are given Q and R, S, then find the first one P union Q union R. Find the P union Q union R. So what are the elements in a set P? P has the elements 1, 2, 5, 7, 9. Okay, and Q union Q 2, 3, 5, 9, 11. Okay, first find the P union Q. P union Q. join all the elements 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay, and then P union Q, and next P union Q union R. So P union Q already found the values. So elements are 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay, union. What are the elements in a set R? R has the elements 3, 4, 5, 7 and 9. 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Now join all the elements. Union is here. So join all the elements from a set P union Q and R. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9 and 11. Okay, that's all. So remaining two problems are homework. Homework second and third problems are homework. And second one, test for the commutative property of union and intersection of a set. Second problem. P is equal to x such that x is a real number between 2 and 7. So what are the numbers between? Real numbers 2 and 7 is given. Between of 2 and 7, what are the numbers? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Between means இது ரெண்டுக்கும் இடையில என்ன நம்பர்ஸ்லாம் இருக்கு? So 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. And next one, Q. X is such that x is an irrational number between irrational number. Irrational number already learned, is it? In a last year. Irrational between 2 and 7. 2 and 7. Okay, it has infinite number of irrational numbers are there between 2 and 7. So we have considered 2, 3 or 4 only we have considered. Okay, so irrational numbers root 2 value is 1.41. Okay, and root 3 value is 1.73. Okay, and root 4 value is 2. So we need the irrational number between 2 and 7 only. So start from next one, root 5. Okay, root 5 value is nearest 2.23 and root 6 value is 2.4 and root 7 value is 2.64 and then root 8 2.82. So it is going endlessly in between of infinite number between 2 and 7 had irrational numbers. Okay, so we have considered just first 3 of irrational numbers. First 3 of the irrational numbers are root 5, root 6 and root 7 and root 7. So here what we find out? Commutative property of union and intersection of a set. Union and intersection of a set. So commutative property of union of sets A union B is equal to B union C. Here P is given. So P union Q is equal to Q union P. So commutative property of union of set is P union Q is equal to Q union P. So first left hand side P union Q is equal to P values are 3, 4, 5, 6 and Q elements are root 5, root 6 and root 7. So union means join all the elements. So elements 3, 4, 5, 6, root 5, root 6 and root 7. Okay. Equation number 1. And right hand side Q union P. So write the elements in the set Q, root 5, root 6, root 7. Union P values are 3, 4, 5, 6. So join all the elements 3, 4, 5, 6, root 5, root 6, root 7. So from 1 and 2 we get P union Q is equal to Q union P is verified. And next one, commutative property of union intersection is asking. Intersection of a set. Second one. First commutative property of union of set. Second one commutative property of intersection of set. So P intersection Q, Q intersection P. From left hand side P intersection Q is equal to which are the elements are common? No. No elements are common in a set P and Q. So it's a null set. And next left hand side Q intersection of P is equal to, so which are the elements common in a both sets? No elements are common in a set P, Q and P. So it's a null set. So it's denoted equation 1, it's denoted equation number 2. So equation number 1 and 2 we get P intersection Q is equal to Q intersection P is verified. Here is verified. Okay. So second problem completed. Now see the third problem. If A is equal to PQ, S, C and then verify the associative property of union of set. Okay. So three sets are given. First write the sets A, B, C. M, N, Q, S, T and C is equal to M, N, P, Q, S. Verify the associative property of union of set. So to prove, to verify associative property of union of set, associative property of union of set. So A union B union C associative property is equal to A union B union C. Okay. So now verify this equation. Left hand side A union B union C. A union B union C. So first preference to the parenthesis. So B union C is equal to, join all the elements M, N, Q, S, T union M, N, P, Q, S. So elements are M, N, P, Q, S, T. Okay. So next to find A union B union C. So A elements P, Q, R, S. B union C, already found the value. The values, the elements are M, N, P, Q, S, T. So here union is there. So join all the elements in a set A and B union C. P, start from M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. It is denoted the equation number 1. Now consider the right hand side. A union B union C. So first preference to the parenthesis. So A union B is equal to the elements of a set A, P, Q, R, S union B, M, N, Q, S, T. Now join all the elements from a set A and B. So all the elements are joined from a set A and B are P, Q, R, S, M, N and T. P, Q, R, S, M, N and T. And next to find A union B union C. Okay. A union B values are, elements are P, Q, R, S, M, N, T union C has the elements M, N, P, Q, S. Now join all the elements from both sets M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. It is denoted the equation number 2. Check the equation number 1 and 2. 1 M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we get A union B, A union B union C is equal to A union B union C is verified. Yes, verified. Okay. A fourth one, homework. I will explain the fifth problem. Okay. Fifth one, A is equal to X is such that X is equal to 2 power N. Ns belongs to W is given. Ns belongs to W. Ns belongs to fifth problem. If A is equal to set of all X such that X is equal to 2 power N and N is belongs to W. So W is whole number. So whole number N values start from 0. The condition is given N is less than 4 is given. Less than 4 is given. So not consider the 4. So the elements of N are 0, 1, 2, 3. Now substitute the values of N in this equation. So X equal to 2 power 0. Next X equal to 2 power 1. Okay. That is this is the equation. So x equal to 2 power n is given. N values are whole numbers. So in n interval is less than 4 is given. So we have whole numbers start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, because the stop with the number is 4. So less than 4 is given, the interval. So we have stop with the number 3. So x equal to 2 power 0 is equal to anything power 0, 1. 2 power 1 is 2. And next element 2 power 2. N value substitute in 2. If you need in this place, write n equal to 0, n equal to 1, and then n equal to 2. So x equal to 2 power 2 is equal to 4, and then n is equal to 3. Then x value is 2 power 3 equal to 8. Is it? 2 power 3 means 2 multiplicated itself is 3 times. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the elements in a set A is 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay. And next B. X, set of all the elements x such that x equal to 2n. Second one is condition 2n x equal to 2n. N is a natural numbers. N is a natural number. Natural number start from 1, 2, 3. Here is given n value is less than equal to 4. So we added the 4 also. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now substitute the n value in this place. N equal to 1. Then x equal to 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So n equal to 2. So x equal to 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. So n equal to 3. X equal to 2 into n value was 3. So 2 3s are 6. N equal to 4. X equal to 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Therefore, the elements in a set B are 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. And C elements are already listing out 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. Listing out in a roster form, is it? So 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. Verify the associative property of intersection of a set. So associative property of intersection of set. To verify associative property of intersection. So A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C intersection C. So left hand side A intersection B intersection C. So first consider the A intersection C. So A intersection C. So which are the elements common? 1. Sorry. B intersection C. So which are the elements common? B intersection C. 2, 6, 2 and 6. So common elements in a set B and C are 2 and 6. And then A intersection B intersection C. So A intersection values A, it has elements 1, 2, 4, 8. Then intersection 2 and 6. So intersection common elements 2. And next one, right hand side, A intersection B intersection C. So first preference to the parenthesis. So A intersection B is equal to, see these two elements of a set A and B. So which are the elements common in a set A and B? 2 and 4, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4 and 8. These are the common in a set A and B. So 2, 4, 8, and then find out A intersection B. Intersection C is equal to, already find the value of A intersection B. So 2, 4, 8, intersection C values are 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. So which are the elements common in a sets A intersection B and C? 2 is common, and then any other elements is there? No, nothing. So the singleton set is 2. It is denoted equation number 2. It is denoted by equation number 1. From 1 and 2 we get A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C is verified. I hope you all understand the today concepts, properties of set operations. Okay, so I will give some homework in this place. See, exercise 1.4, first one, second and third problem. And fourth problem. That's all. Okay, only 3 problems only given. Try to complete. If you have any doubt, call to me and I will explain. Okay, thank you students.